Kitchie, Sane, Kombina. You two come inside. So it's early morning and I'm cleaning up. It's holiday, so I have no work today. And those two are outside. I'm trying to clean up here. And Sunny, Kombina. Sunny. Kombina. No? Very good. Kitchie. What are you going to do there? That is Kitchie's bed. Hi. Hi. I'm cleaning up. I'm cleaning up your mess. Yes. You are the most messy one among all. Hi, Sunny. Hi. Hi. Hello, Sunny. Kitchie is Bina. So Kitchie is here inside now. Kitchie is a very protective cat. So I'm cleaning up the mess right now that this one loves to make. This is a messy one among all. He's the youngest, but he's a messy one. Right? Right? Yes, you are. The jealous one over there. Stop shouting, Star. Okay. Go continue working because it's a lot of mess.